Spells 2013. Let's go into round 3, where we will find out who gets that coveted seat in the grand finale. Briefly, the rules of round 3. There are 3 cycles of words in this round, a total of 6 words. If you spell the word assigned to you correctly, you will be awarded 10 points. If you misspell it, it will pass to your fellow contestant, who has an opportunity to score 5 points if she spells it correctly. The first contestant to get into an unbeatable position will be declared today's winner. All the very best. Good luck to the both of you. We'll start with Sadhana. Sadhana, your first word for 10 points. Ichthyosaur.
The language of origin, please.
From Greek via modern Latin.
The meaning, please.
A fossil marine reptile of the Mesozoic era, resembling a dolphin with a long pointed head, 4 flippers, and a vertical tail.
ICHTHYOSAUR.
You have 10 points. Over to Sachita. Your first word for 10 points is Triceratops. A large quadrupedal herbivorous dinosaur living at the end of the Cretaceous period, having a massive head with 2 large horns, a smaller horn on the beaked snout, and a bony frill above the neck.
Triceratops.
The hero of Jurassic Park, I believe.
Okay. Triceratops.
Sadhana, your second word for 10 points is sassafras.
What is the language of origin?
It is of Spanish origin. A deciduous North American tree with aromatic leaves and bark.
SASSAFRAZ.
I'm afraid that's incorrect. The word passes to Sachita.
SASSAFRAS.
With that 5 points, Sachita, you do have an added edge. If you spell this word correctly, you will have 25 points and be in a solid position. That word is myrrh.
Can you repeat the word?
Myrrh.
And can you give me the meaning, please?
A fragrant gum resin obtained from certain trees and used especially in the Near East in perfumery, medicines, and incense.
Myrrh.
That is correct.
MYRRH.
We now move to Sadhana. This word is critical for you to stay in the game. Your word to spell to stay in the game. Equuleus.
Are there any alternative pronunciations?
There are not. Equuleus.
What's the language of origin?
Latin.
The meaning, please.
A small northern constellation between Pegasus and Aquarius, the foal or little horse, perhaps representing the brother of Pegasus.
ICHYULIUS.
I'm afraid that's incorrect, which means that we have a result today, and the winner of our third semi-final with 25 points in round 3 is Sachita Nishal from Delhi Public School in Surat. Very well played. You made it through to the finals last year, and you made it through to the finals this year again. So congratulations. And Sadhana, you played very well. It was stiff competition right up until the last round. I know that the both of you have made your respective DPSs very, very proud. Thank you for playing with us.
Winner gets a trophy and a cash prize.
That closes the third semi-final of Spell Bee India Spells 2013, powered by the Times of India in association with Seacord, Real Fruit Power, and Air India. Our education partner is Times NIE. This is an initiative by Radio Mirchi. We found our 3 finalists, just 1 more to go to complete the awesome foursome. So tune in to our 4th and last semi-final next week to find out who we might have a he or she is. And in the meantime, keep reading and keep spelling it right. Bye-bye.